Hello everyone, welcome to Rasta's classroom. Today we'll solve a nice math problem. It is exponential math problem. T to the power t is equal to 49. T is equal to what? How to solve this interesting math problem? So when you see t to the power t is equal to 49, you think it will be 7 to the power 2 is equal to 49. It is right, but this is t to the power t. So both are same, but this is not same. This is 7, this is 2. So first of all, you can easily, it will be 3 to the power 3. If you think 3 to the power 3, so it will be 27. You know that 3 to the power 3 to 27. Or 2 to the power 2, it will be 4. And if you think it will be 4 to the power 4, you can easily it will be 256. So this is 27. This is 256. This is 49. So you can easily, this is 49. So you can easily, this value, this t, it will be 3, and here is t, and this is 4. So at this moment you can see this t, it will be 3 point something. It's okay. Now let's solution our question. It will be t to the power t is equal to 49. I solve this question step by step. Now I use both side natural log. So ln t to the power t is equal to ln 49. I use both side natural log. So according to this law, we know that log a to the power r is equal to r log a. Now at this point, if I apply this mass formula here, so you can see easily this t move on in front, so it will be t ln this t is equal to ln 49. Now at this moment, I want to use here is Lambert W function. So what is Lambert W function? We know that here a e to the power a is equal to a. It is a nice maths formula. Lambert W function a e to the power a, it will be a. This is the beauty of mathematics. Now at this moment you can see easily. At this moment if I use here is e, so know that e to the power ln a is equal to a. So in this t, I can say easily it will be e to the power ln t. So I take this ln t here. So ln t and this t, it will be e to the power ln t. We know that e to the power ln t, it will be t. So this value and this value both are same. And here ln 49. Now at this moment I use both side Lambert W function. Because of that I apply this formula here easily. So here Lambert W function ln t, and here is e to the power ln t is equal to Lambert W function ln 49. I use both side Lambert W function. Now at this moment, according to this formula, Lambert W function a e to the power a is equal to a. So if I apply this mass formula here, so it will be ln t is equal to Lambert W function ln 49. Now at this moment t is equal to what? Now at this moment again if I apply this formula here, so I use both side e, base e, so ln t is equal to e to the power Lambert W function ln 49, and here is second bracket. It's okay. Now e to the power ln a is equal to a, so I can easily e to the power ln t, it will be t is equal to e to the power Lambert W function ln 49. This is our final answer in this math problem. It is a nice math problem. So if I use calculator, e to the power Lambert W function ln 49, it will be 3.278. This is the value of t in this math problem. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.